Hey guys, Noah Wren here with Adam Olson from Water Drinkers Consulting, and today we have a presentation exploring our solution for the Rocking Kicks business case. Heading right into it, who is Rocking Kicks? They are a business-to-business sneaker supplier. The two owners, which are actually married, Greg and Kathy, have a partnership, and they are finally located in St. Paul, Minnesota. And now, why did they reach out to us? Well, their goal to maintain customers was failing. They had lost 25% of their customers since 2016. They had received complaints about their ordering process. They also received complaints about an old web presence as well. And now Kathy and Greg thought that a reason for some of these complaints was due to their separate legacy systems and separate inventory and sales systems. And now we're going to go into the solution, which I'm going to hand off to Adam Olson.
All right. So for our solution, we went with Salesforce. Salesforce allows us, without any code, customization of a powerful CRM, which we could implement for Rocking Kicks and help them solve their customer satisfaction issues. We would combine both their systems into one convenient CRM, which would help Greg and Kathy, and it would be created with the intention of customer satisfaction. So let's get into it. First, our process, we had to complete the software development lifecycle. So we're going to talk about planning, CRM system analysis, the design of the system, and then of course implementation of our solution. So in the systems planning, we took an extensive look at Rocking Kicks. How do they do business? We performed a SWOT analysis, and we declared what deliverables will be presented. And then just focusing on our process, we created a project plan where we clearly identified and understood project roles and responsibilities, and we detailed the use of agile techniques that we'll be using in this software development lifecycle. So system analysis. In this portion, we decided to create some models to help us understand Rocking Kicks. We had business models, process models, user models, data models, which really ensures that both I and Noah understood what Rocking Kicks was about, how did they make money, etc. So we also agilely declare the scope. So what is in scope, what is out of scope, what will we be working on, and what will we not be working on. So in our systems design section, we created a high view understanding of the solution CRM, and then we created the CRM incrementally through agile sprints. We'll be getting into that in just 1 second. For the system implementation, we have our prototype testing. All right, so now we're going to be getting into the actual Salesforce platform. And what we've done is we've created a customized organization, and then as soon as you guys go ahead and approve it, we'll make you authorized users, delete ourselves, and then it'll become yours. So what this is showing you is all the different objects that Salesforce has to offer. Now with this specific solution, we're only going to be focusing here at the top on accounts. We're going to look at catalog orders and then how they both relate to the product. So we've customized the product and the account object, and those work in unison with catalog orders to give the functionality to the CRM. So let's start here with accounts. You click into accounts on your customized Salesforce organization. You're going to see right at the top recent accounts. Now, if hopefully you'll be getting lots of calls, lots of new accounts. You're going to have to click this new button here often. And basically what that's going to do is allow you to enter a new account. We've customized these fields to just include what you guys will need. And we've kind of basically removed some of the extras that comes on Salesforce. So JC Penney shoes, account number. And then we could fill in this billing street information, phone and fax, etc. For now, we'll just click Save. And then this is going to actually bring you into the account view. And this is pretty cool. It's got a little social media platform to it. But what we're going to be looking for next is right here. We have this catalog orders. Now, we have products and we have accounts, but how do we associate an account when they want to buy some products? Well, that's where the catalog order comes in. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to open this in a new page so you can see. This is the view essentially for like an overview. If you click in here, you'll get the specific catalog order. So we're dealing with this number right here. It's got the details, and now this has the account associated with it and the number of items. Okay, and then of course a total cost, some quality control checks here, and there's not a new essential new, like you don't place orders from here. That takes place on like the employee, or the rather like user interface, so what your customers will be using, and we'll get to that in just one second. What I need to take you to next is the products. So if you're getting used to this view, this is just your overview products. Right here we have recent products. This view is totally customizable. So as you can see, these are just some sample products that we've entered in for you. If we click on this Air Jordan 12 Retro OVO, this is one object or one product, everything associated with the product. Okay, so we have product name, we have a product code, image document ID. Just is you're gonna upload an image, and then every image comes with a document ID, and then you paste that into this field on the object, and what that's going to do is associate a picture with your product. Blurb, very important. It's just going to give a blurb, just a short little thing, and then for more detailed, we have a product description down at the bottom. This active checkbox right here needs to be checked if you want your customers to see this, as well as this mobile ready, because the interface or the prototype that we're working on is compatible with any mobile device, any iPad, any smartphone, etc., as well as a web platform. Now these are just optional, customizable information fields about each product. So is it a high top? Is it laceless? What's the brand? What shoe sizes do you have available? What are the primary, secondary, tertiary colors? Any sole information, therapeutic, etc. So just going to go back quick. If you begin to enter products to fill your catalog, you can just click new here, put in the product name. We'll just call this shoe sample product. Now we're not going to give it any of this information here. We're just going to kind of run this as a test view. This product family is very important. It basically gives grouping to your products, so that way in the interface, when customers, they get a little option to narrow it down. And the way we've done this is with product family: men's, boys, girls, women. Makes sense for shoes. You could of course change that, and you can also add multiple levels of grouping, but for now we just stuck with this. So we'll just throw this in the men's here, blue, and we'll give these guys a real good deal. How's $29 sound, or $20? Okay, so we're going to click save. Now it doesn't have a whole lot of information here, but next I'm going to take you into the customer interface, basically how our prototype functions. This is on the back end. This is your database. But if you had to show potential clients this, essentially these are our products, it's just not very appeasing. And of course, you're having issues with your customers not liking your basically interface on your previous website. So now I'm going to take you into what we've created for you, which is the real exciting part, which is our product catalog. Now we downloaded this from forcelabs.com. It's a Salesforce app, and it associates your Salesforce database with this interface. So here we have our groupings that we previously mentioned: boys, men, women. We don't have a product associated with girls yet, but if you click men's, you're going to be able to see the Jordan 12 Retros that we showed you earlier. You're going to get this blurb about them. Click and you're going to get the description, the price, whether it's in stock, and then that's just that grouping once again. Now if I go home and refresh this, we should be able to see the shoe sample product. So that's how quick it uploads. And of course, we'd have an image. This would be the blurb, and it would be ready to go just like that in a matter of seconds. It does take a little time to upload the picture and to document that, but nothing to worry about. So let's say you want to go ahead and purchase this product. It's a double click. It's a double click because of the mobile application. So you just give it a quick double click and it adds it to the cart. Now we had nothing in the cart previously, so we could proceed to checkout. But here I actually want to go back, add a couple products to this cart. So I'm going to add this one. I'm going to go home, go to the women, see what they have. Oh, I like that. Of course I'm going to add that to the cart. Okay. Now if we go back to account, let's go back. Okay, yep. Oh, we already did. We made this JCPenney shoes account. And there it is there, right? So JCPenney calls us up. They want to, or they call you guys rather, and they want to get a look at your online catalog. You set them up with an account. If they want to go ahead and purchase stuff, they can view their cart, proceed to checkout. Now we have these 3 new items. You can change the quantities on the previous page. Right here, you're going to see JCPenney shoes. We'll confirm this account, and it's just going to give you a quick overview of what exactly you're committing to buying. Once you click place this order, the back-end Salesforce is going to automatically create that catalog order that I talked about, which connects the products to the account. So now if we click this catalog orders, we should have a brand new one, and we do. We have catalog number 4, and as you can see, it has the account JCPenney shoe. It had the 3 items that we associated with the total cost. So now you're just going to submit that for approval, and then your organization will take it over from there, handle shipping and billing, keep that separate and secure from this database, CRM. So in conclusion, thank you. I hope this solution fits your needs. Once again, we're water drinkers. My name is Adam Olson. I'm here with Noah Wren. And if you want to continue contracting with us, we can add more features, more customability, more usability, more functionality from your back end to your front end in whatever way fits you.